Hi, Josh Willis again from Resist. I just want to take a minute and go over a couple little maintenance issues. The first thing I wanted to go over was changing the nozzle. The nozzle, when you loosen this, it should slip right out, okay? And when it slips out, we're going to undo this large nut, and that's going to give us access to the actual nozzle. Now, keep in mind there's a couple different parts to this nozzle. One thing I love about our nozzle system is before we run into the nozzle, which is the most expensive part of the nozzle, we have this steel orifice. What I like about this is it's almost like a pre-nozzle. It's going to direct the sand in a funneled pattern before it gets to the nozzle. What that does is this takes the brunt of the wear and tear. Since this is a inexpensive and easily replaceable part, this is going to prevent us from wearing the nozzle out faster than we need to. So again, to change the nozzle, we're going to loosen that. We're going to put on the gasket, put on the orifice or pre-nozzle, okay? And we're going to just slip that right inside. Place the nut back over, tighten it up. You do not need to put a wrench on this. Hand tight is all we need. So tighten that up, give it a good quarter of a turn, and then we're just going to slip that back in to the nozzle holder and down. Tighten this one up, and again, hand tight is all we need. It's good to go. The reason you don't want to over tighten this is as the machine moves, you want to be able to have that hose be able to turn to the left or turn to the right. If you over tighten this, it'll end up binding up and you'll end up putting undue pressure on the bearings and guides. Thanks again for watching.